This niche has a huge audience, so it's really easy to complete 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours with this niche. When it comes to selecting a good niche, you need to consider these three things: how broad the niche is, how easy is it to produce content, and the RPM of that niche. The best way to find the trending niche is to go to YouTube and search for short videos when you are watching those videos. Check these things: number of views, date posted, and the number of likes. In this video, I will show you how to create short videos for football niche. Now let me show you an example video first, and then we can start the video creation process.
Top 4 football players with the highest number of goals in history. At number 4, we have Ferenc Puskás, 746 goals. At number 3 is Romario, 752 goals. At number 2, we have Pelé, 767 goals. At number 1, Cristiano Ronaldo, 800 goals. Who's your favorite? Let us know in the comments.
The first thing we should do is generate a name for our channel. We can simply use ChatGPT for that. I will ask ChatGPT to create 10 name ideas for a YouTube channel related to football quizzes. I like the name Soccer IQ Challenge. You can also regenerate the name if you want to, but I will go with the Soccer IQ Challenge. Now comes the next step, which is to create a video script for a YouTube short. There are 2 ways to do that. Number 1, visit a YouTube channel and search for a video that has performed well. Copy the link and search for any video downloader to download the video. Next, open Murf AI and choose the voice changer option and upload the video for which you want to get the script. Within minutes, entire script will be ready. But don't use the script as it is. Try to make some changes. Otherwise, you will get a copyright strike and your channel will not be monetized. The second step is to use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Create a YouTube video script for a YouTube short. The topic of the video is the top 4 football players who have achieved the highest number of goals in football history. Let's generate it. If you think your script sounds like an AI-generated script, just read the whole script and try to make changes in it. Now we need to create a logo and banner for our channel. For that, I will be using Canva, which is very easy to use. Go to Canva. Search for YouTube banner and choose any banner you like. And like that, search for a YouTube logo and create a channel logo as well. It's pretty easy, so I will leave that to you. Now we need to generate voiceovers for our video. I will use 11 Labs. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-to-speech AI voice generators. You can select a suitable voice from here. Then all you need to do is copy and paste the script we generated part by part here. So just like this, create the voiceovers for the whole script. The next thing we need to do is find pictures related to these players and their country flags. We can simply use Google and download these images. For this, you need to read the whole script and find out who these players are and where are they from. So let's download all the necessary images. The next step is to find suitable background videos related to football. You can use Pexels for that. We are going to use these videos as the background layer for our video. After you download the background videos, go to pixabay.com to find good background music for this video. Now we have all the materials to create the final video. The final step is to edit this video. For that, I will use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. First, start a new project. Then you need to upload all the material that we created to this. Click this import button and select all those voiceovers, music, images, and videos. First, drag and drop all the voiceovers to the timeline in the correct order, and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Make sure to remove the silence parts from these voiceovers. After adding all the voiceovers, add the background video on top of that layer, and make sure to change its size to match the surface area. Now I'm going to add a text layer and add a text like this: top 4 football players with the highest number of goals in history. Now let's modify this text. I'm going to make it all capital, and you can add a cool font from here. And let's add a pre-made text effect like this. Now go to animations and add cool animation to this text layer to improve its quality. Okay, now we need to add the images, so this is going to be the 4th player on this list. First, I'm going to add a new text layer and name it. You can add a cool font and text effect like this to this text. I like this yellow background option, so let's use it. Then we can add the image related to this player and adjust its size. Let's duplicate this text layer and rename it to the number of goals that this player has scored. After that, we can add an image related to this player's country like this. Make sure to adjust its size as well. Then go to animations again and add suitable sliding animations for all these layers one by one. Now just like this, add all the other 3 players to the timeline. It's the same process. Make sure to edit these correctly. After that, all you need to do is add the background music to the timeline and reduce its volume to match the voiceover. For this video, I will use music from the CapCut audio library. Then you can export the video by clicking here. Remember to select a good voice because voiceover plays a huge part when it comes to going viral on YouTube or TikTok. If you are planning to upload these videos to both TikTok and YouTube, I would recommend you select a 30 to 60 second duration. That's all from this video. I hope you learned something new. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.